Sofascore app live sports scores, real-time results and stats. Live score app for all sports fans. So here you can just see and get ready for the top soccer leagues and others. Follow scores and stats live. Access the complete game schedule, view team standings, and follow each phase of the new season. Experience the ultimate live score app, Sofascore. You go to destination for all scores, sports statistics, and the worlds of sports excitement. Whether you're a passionate sports fan or serious football fantasy manager, you have everything from simple live score to deep stats and detailed player analysis. We cover 25 sports and over 5,000 leagues and tournaments. And you can see it's fast and precise tops leagues, player insights, comprehensive coverage. And then you can just see the details, and then you can just tap get and then just double click to install. And really good app, great app. It's actually grown in the charts. And let's just open it up to just check, and then you just need to start, and then you can see just preview, soccer trending, all of the matches, basketballs. So for example, you just go in here, you can save it to favorites for quick access, get notifications, and then you can see the match, who will win, casts, there is some betting, pre-match form, featured players, odds, all insights, odds, standing matches, all kind of stats which you can see. So if you have football plan, you can just basically see it in here. So and then there's also fantasy in here. So something like that. That's what it is.